We're going to be doing some maintenance on the Cayman today. But first, I got comments on a previous video that they were having issues with their engine on their Volkswagen, and they wanted to hear how mine sounded, so let's do that real quick. All right, now this will really be a cold start because it's been like 28 degrees all day today, so. Probably use some more coolant. I'll go ahead and top this off while I'm here. Save some money. This stuff is equivalent to pretty much any of that Volkswagen G12 stuff. Xerox G40. It's the same. It says somewhere back here, but it's already been pre-mixed. That's better. All right, let's get started. Got a new engine air filter from BMC. We also have a cabin air filter and some new wiper blades because mine, they pretty much crapped out. We're going to start with the cabin air filter. All right, so it's located over here, I believe. First thing you got to do is take this cover off like that. There's a little battery. Should be back here. This comes up, out. Is it under here? Hey, there it is. All right, let's pay attention to the airflow. Straight down. I thought there was a bracket that's supposed to hold this down. Maybe, I guess not. So does this just... Oh, okay. This one might be a little old. That's really stuck on there. Okay. Well, that's actually a lot easier than I thought. Check this out. I've never seen this before on a cabin filter, but this actually comes with an instruction manual on how to install it. Picture and instructions. Freaking wild. We don't need it. Okay, airflow. So it's backwards. Needs to go like that. What does this wire go to? I get two hands on this. Alright, so let's slide it in there. Lift this up here. There's another clip back here. Okay, is there another? No. Alright, so there's a clip back here you're supposed to push down. There we go. I'll show you here. That's why it was giving me trouble. See that clip right there? I didn't have it unlocked, but that's what holds the filter down. See? All right, zero tools involved. That one was simple. I doubt the other one's going to be that simple. All right, beautiful. Now we move to the rear. All right, now we got to get to the engine, so we got to pop this off with I guess a pry tool. Yeah. All right. So just pry that loose. Push that to the side, and then you'll work this side out, and then it'll all come out. And be careful with your interior. This thing actually has some weight to it. Next is to remove the heat shield. You're going to want to use a T30. We got 1, 2, and then 2 more over there. It might be a little tight. All right, sorry, we do have 1 more up top, making it 5. All right. There she is. There's the airbox. Oh, it looks like it's Phillips screws. All right, I need to go grab a Phillips head. Reason for urgency on replacing my air filter is because I noticed I was kind of losing power during my drives. I'm trying to make sure I don't drop these. Let's see. Oh yeah, they're small. I've been keeping up with maintenance, oil changes and all that, but 2 rallies, and I never bothered to replace the filter. So we're gonna do that. All right, now this is the tough part. I got 1 more screw right here, and then that should release it. Let me see if I can get this thing out now. Okay. Okay, see, like, yeah, see, so this piece connects to the car here through this tube. All right, sorry, I don't know why my phone cut off there. I literally had to just yank up and now just pull up straight. It seems that's the piece that is just restricting movement, which we have to transfer onto the new filter. Look at that, I even had to crack this one. Is it clipped on? Let me get 2 hands on this. Clipped on. Alright, so we're just going to pull this off. And now that's broken. We're just going to roll with it anyway. Mine is broken, but we can still mount it, and we could still use that retainer piece. Well, to hell with that. We'll just have to order a new one of these. We'll figure it out. All right, the new filter comes with a screw, and then we're just going to pop this on. There we go. Good as new. Now we're going to slide this thing in here. Somehow, some way. I'm going to see if I can mount the phone. That way you can see me do it. Just like the other way. Straight down. Twist that around here. Try not to damage the filter too much. Alright, got it. There we go. Wow. I did not think that was going to pop on. Filter got a little kink there, but no problem. It did pop in to the tube here. Just slide your hand from the back, push it, and once it pops on, you'll know. Now, see, we still got the bracket here. It'll still retain it perfectly. That is mounted on nicely, so let's put it back together. Boom. That's all set. I think this is what makes it difficult to reinstall, because this piece has to slide in there as well. I honestly think this is a debris shield for when it comes through the side vents here. Dirt, rocks, etc. But most likely water. So I think we'll be fine without it. There's one more thing we want to do, and that's my windshield wipers. Alright, so just tilt the blade up and then just apply some pressure on both ends. It's better with 2 hands. Let me show you. So flip this around. Slide it up. then tilt back, and boom. I think that's it. All right, guys, it's cold. I'm gonna go back inside. Hopefully this video helped you out. Just some small maintenance things. Probably, aside from the pretty much aftermarket air filter, you can get a regular air filter for maybe like 40 bucks. So altogether, all this stuff would probably be around 60, 80 bucks. But since I got the BMC air filter, the lifetime warranty one, that one runs about 100 bucks. That's all I got for this one, guys. Give this video a like and subscribe for more content. I'll see you in the next one.